Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting the foundation right. Update Chrome OS and Roblox so compatibility issues are gone. Close background tabs and apps to free RAM, aiming to keep at least 20% free. That reduces swapping. Use wired Ethernet or move to a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band to lower latency. Once done, reboot the Chromebook so updates apply and memory clears. Make sure developer tools are off. They can consume resources and introduce lag during gameplay. Next, tune both system and game settings. Open Roblox, choose manual graphics and lower quality to around 8 to 10 to balance visuals and frame rate. Disable Chrome extensions temporarily because some inject scripts and hog CPU. Try toggling hardware acceleration in settings. If stutter persists, turn it off. If tearing appears, turn it on. Clear browser cache and site data for Roblox to remove corrupt assets. Once adjusted, test a short match and watch FPS. Finish by minimizing background activity. Pause auto updates and stop sync while playing, since uploads or updates spike CPU and bandwidth. Use a fresh guest profile or cloud account to avoid profile bloat and reinstall Roblox if corrupted files remain. If lag continues, test your internet speed and try another network or hotspot to isolate ISP issues. As a key troubleshooting tip, record when lag happens, during maps builds, or all the time, so you can pinpoint whether it's network, CPU, or GPU related and act accordingly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.